We have another new twist in the manslaughter case against Alec Baldwin in that fatal movie set shooting. The Santa Fe district attorney who brought the original charges against Baldwin is now stepping aside from the prosecution. Remember we talked about this last night? Now it's actually happening. Stepping aside. In her place, two new special prosecutors will take over. Last night we said that the prosecution was falling apart at the seams. Well, now this seems like an all-out implosion. As we told you last night, a judge shut down the DA's attempt to bring on a new special prosecutor to serve as co-counsel. The judge saying the DA should either lead the case on her own or turn it over entirely to another prosecutor. So that is exactly what she did. Santa Fe District Attorney Mary Carmack Altwise. His departure also comes just 2 weeks after the resignation of Special Prosecutor Andrea Reeb. There are all sorts of missteps in the filing of initial charges against Baldwin and objections that Reeb's role as a state legislator created conflicting responsibilities. And this is just another bizarre turn in an already bizarre case that could be doomed before it even sees the inside of a courtroom. And joining me now to discuss the developments is Misty Marris, a criminal defense attorney who has been following the high-profile case since the beginning. I mean, this is like a real mess. We thought this might happen when we did the segment last night. What is going on? Do they know what they're doing there?
What a long and winding road to actually find somebody to prosecute this case. Look, it does not seem like they do. And this is all going to feed into one of the defense arguments, is that there has been prosecutorial overreach, meaning that, hey, maybe there would be civil liability for this incident, which is horrible and tragic. But is it really the amount of culpability needed to prove a case beyond a reasonable doubt? So first special prosecutor assigned, she was actually a part of the legislature. Baldwin's attorneys made an application. She gets kicked out because they say that's a conflict of interest, rightfully so. Well, what's discovered? A slew of emails that say, hey, maybe this will help my political career. Not so good. So now we have the district attorney trying to stay involved in the case. However, the statute says, as you reported, the judge made this statement, which is true, that she either needs to step completely aside, have a special prosecutor take over, or actually prosecute the case herself. She can't stay involved in this co-counsel capacity. So now
I don't know how you keep it straight.
I know.
I don't know how you keep it straight.
I've been watching this case, every minute of this case, right from the get-go. And, you know, now she's the one who made the charging decision. So the current special prosecutors that are assigned are not the ones who made that charging decision and decided what charges were going to be levied against Hannah Gutierrez-Reed and Alec Baldwin.
I wondered, because last night we reported prosecutor asked for more help, said I don't have enough help with the case. The judge said no. I was thinking, is this just like a temper tantrum? Is she just mad that she didn't get the help and now she's like, you know, I'm out of here?
I think it's because the writing was on the wall. The judge was going to say it's either just you or a special prosecutor, and that was all raised in defense motion.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your cable provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.